Hi students, welcome to ANR classes. Now we will discuss some important topics in organic chemistry, that is the very important reagent lithium aluminum hydride. What is the use of lithium aluminum hydride? Lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ethers. Ether is a solvent. What is the use of lithium aluminum hydride in organic chemistry? What is the use? So in presence of these reagents, aldehydes are easily reduced to primary alcohols. So add hydrogens, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. So hydride ion came from this reagent, that is added to carbon. So followed by hydrolysis, that a solvent give hydrogen H plus. This is came from solvent. So here H is came from lithium aluminum hydride. This is came from lithium aluminum hydride. All aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, all aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. All aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. For example, aldehyde plus lithium aluminum D4 and H3O plus. So what is the product? RC double bond O convert to single bond OH. Here H is came from this solvent and D is came from this reducing agent. Here D is added. So this is the very important. This is very important. For example, aldehydes react with lithium aluminum hydride by followed by D3 or D plus hydrolysis or D2O. So that is convert to RODH here H. So hydrogen H minus came from lithium aluminum hydride and OD here these came from solvent. This is the very important reactions. These reactions are redox reactions, reductions. These reactions are called as reduction reactions and also nucleophilic addition reactions. Nucleophilic addition reactions. All aldehydes are converted to whatever it may be the aldehyde, that aldehydes convert to primary alcohols. So CHO group convert to CH2OH. Here add one hydrogen here add one hydrogen is added to here. So whatever it may be the aldehydes, for example C6H5 benzaldehyde convert to benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. So what is the suitable one of the reagent? What is the suitable one of the reagent is lithium aluminum hydride. Suitable reagent is lithium aluminum hydride. So aldehydes, in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, aldehydes are easily converted to primary alcohols. But primary alcohols not reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. So lithium aluminum hydride not suitable reducing agent, alcohol convert to alkanes. Alcohol convert to alkanes. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, alcohols not convert to alkanes. Alcohols not convert to alkanes. In presence of lithium aluminum hydrates, all ketones convert to secondary alcohols. 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 All ketones are converted to secondary alcohols. All ketones are converted to secondary alcohols. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, all ketones are converted to secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohol not reduced to alkanes in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride not suitable for reduction of alcohols. So next, in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, primary alkyl halides easily convert to alkanes. Remove here and add hydrogen. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, secondary alkyl halides are converted to alkanes. Secondary alkyl halides are converted to alkanes, but in tertiary alkyl halides are converted to alkenes. That is the very important. So lithium aluminum hydride is a very suitable reducing agent of reduction of primary and secondary alkyl halides. So here elimination reaction is take place. Elimination reactions. So in presence of lithium aluminum hydrides, acids and acid derivatives. So carboxylic acids and its derivatives. Carboxylic acid and its derivatives convert to first aldehydes. Aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. And acid derivatives, all acid derivatives remove here and add hydrogen. First convert to aldehydes. Aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. And esters, acid esters convert to C double bond O, first aldehydes break here. This is convert to alcohol. Here byproduct is alcohol. So next, that aldehydes again convert to primary alcohols. So next, anhydrides. Anhydrides also convert to anhydrides. Break here, they first convert to aldehydes. So here byproduct is carboxylic acid. So excess of reducing agent is there. Carboxylic acids also convert to primary alcohols. Aldehydes first. Aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. These aldehydes convert to primary alcohols. So next, here very important note: amides are not converted to alcohols in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So lithium aluminum hydride, in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, this bond is not break. That bond is very strong bond. So that is convert to, so remove the oxygens, add hydrogens. So that is convert to primary amine. That is convert to primary amines. So alkyl substituted amides. Alkyl substituted amides convert to secondary amines. Secondary amines. So secondary amines. So next, in presence of lithium aluminum hydrides, oximes are convert to primary amines. Remove here and add hydrogens. RCH2 NH2. RCH2 NH2. So in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, cyanides and isocyanates are convert to amines. Cyanides and isocyanates are convert to amines. Cyanides convert to, a cyanide C triple bond N, add hydrogens and R NH double bond NH. That is the very important. Again add hydrogens, that is convert to CH2 NH2. CH2 NH2. So cyanide CN group convert to CH2 NH2. CH2 NH2. CN group convert to CH2 NH2. So next, isocyanates. Isocyanate convert to, isocyanates are convert to, like that. Again add hydrogens. So secondary amines. Secondary amines. Like that. Secondary amines. So next, secondary amines. Isocyanates are converted to secondary amines. So next, very important application, nitro compounds. So aliphatic nitro compounds in presence of lithium aluminum hydride that are convert to amines. That are convert to amines. Aliphatic primary amines, NO2 group convert to NH2 group. NO2 group convert to NH2 group. So next, aromatic nitro compounds. Aromatic nitro compounds convert to, in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, here two molecules involve reactions to form azo compound. So this is the azo compounds. So nitrobenzene convert to azo compound in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So lithium aluminum hydride not easily affect the double bondeds and triple bonds. Not affect on double bond. So next, lithium aluminum hydride not affect on double bond, but that is affect on double bond very near to aromatic compound. That is affect on double bond very near to aromatic compound, aromatic ring, very near to the aromatic ring, that is affected by lithium aluminum hydride, that is reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. So aldehydes easily convert to alcohols. So this is the use of lithium aluminum hydride. What is the use of lithium aluminum hydride, students? In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols, ketones are converted to secondary alcohols, carboxylic acids are converted to first aldehydes, next primary alcohols. Acid halides are converted to aldehydes, further converted to alcohols. Carboxylic esters are converted to aldehydes, next further converted to primary alcohols. And acid halides, anhydrides first convert to aldehydes, next convert to alcohols. Amide CN bond is not break by lithium aluminum hydride. Any reducing agent not easily break the CN bond. CN bond is very strong bond. CN bond is very strong bond. Reducing agent not break this bond. So here oxygen is removed by hydrogens, that reducing agent add hydrogens, that is convert to primary amines, and oximes also convert to primary amines. Substituted amides and substituted oximes, substituted amides are converted to secondary amines. Next, nitro compounds are converted to primary amines. Nitro compounds are converted to primary amines. But aromatic nitro compounds are in nitrobenzene convert to azobenzene. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, alkyl halides, primary, secondary alkyl halides convert to alkanes, tertiary alkyl halide convert to alkenes. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, cyanides are convert to amines, primary amine. Here CN group convert to CH2NH2, and isocyanates are convert to secondary amines. Isocyanates are convert to secondary amines. That is the very important. Secondary amines. This is the use of lithium aluminum hydride in organic chemistry. Lithium aluminum hydride is a complex hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride. This is the complex hydride. Lithium tetrahydroaluminate. Lithium tetrahydroaluminate 3. What is the IUPAC name of lithium aluminum hydride, students? So lithium aluminum hydride IUPAC name is lithium hydride tetrahydrido, lithium tetrahydrido aluminate 3. Lithium tetrahydrido aluminate 3. This is the IUPAC name of lithium aluminum hydride. This is the complex hydride. This is a complex hydride. Thank you very much, students.